Our video today is on this backup UPS 650. So this is a brand by APC. It's been a few days that I get this thing beeping, and literally you lose power and it starts beeping. It just acts crazy. So I already moved most of the components out of this unit to my other UPS right here, but I want to go back to this one, and plus I like to have both, so I have all my components, everything basically on UPS power. So we're gonna take a little outage as we disconnect the remaining items here, but I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the battery on this, right? Because this was made to be thrown out. APC doesn't even supply a battery for it, so I ended up getting this out of Amazon. It's the only battery that I was able to find. So there's a couple others, right? But this is the one that I was able to match specifically for this unit, and the price was pretty good too. So 20 bucks, as you can see right there, export power. What I did is I went by the, let me show you guys really quick. I went by the measurements. I actually took some notes too, but so the measurement is right here. Here goes the dimensions. 3.54 inches by 2.76 by 3.98, so total height. So this is the dimension of the battery that you need, right? So that is the reason why I got this battery. We're gonna go ahead and open the other one up and try to install it, and hopefully we're back on the road. So to get this job done, I've already pulled this out. I'm gonna turn it off, wait for the power to go off, so it's off. And the next thing, I'm just gonna show you guys right in the bottom. It's the model number right here. Units, the BVN650M1. So this is the one that you're not supposed to be changing the battery. Doesn't allow you to. Well, we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway. Okay, so we need to remove this battery connector. It's pretty tight in there. So I'm gonna try to use something to pry it up here. There we go. See that? It's probably hard for you to do it by hand, but it's a little. Okay, next you need a long screwdriver. Not as long as this, right? But you need one that's long enough to get all the way in this hole. So we gotten all the screws out, put it to the side over there, and now we're gonna try to open this up and take a peek at our battery. Look at it right here. See that? So we're just gonna literally flip the whole unit to the side, and you can see the battery. And now here's our replacement. And look at it, identical. Yep, everything's identical. But let's look at this, see exactly what information this has, and compare it with this one. Because prior to purchasing this, I did some Google searching, and it told me that this unit had a 5, see that? 5AH. I ordered exactly what I was told, but this actually has a 6. So this is a little more powerful. Everything else seems to be the same. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. If we have any issues, we will get another battery. But for you out there looking to replace this, make sure you get the exact same battery, right? 12 volt, 6.8 AH. Make sure you get that. And if you get the exact same brand, that makes it even easier. A lot of times relying on this information off the web could be incorrect. So we're gonna remove this and then take that out. It's gonna be our negative. I'm gonna move it right over, and then positive. Yeah, a little tight. So this one actually has one of those little tabs. So I have to get something to release that tab. Okay, that worked. So literally, instead of pushing, I tried to push it from the back. It still wouldn't release. So I pried it up a little bit right under here, and I was able to get it out. This was a big pain in the butt. Anyway, let's put this back down. This little cover here. As you can see, this head is a little bit smaller. This one is a little bit thicker. So for you out there doing it, if you could get the exact same battery, it'll be better. But for me, I got this one. I'm gonna keep it. So in there, look at what we have. So we're gonna go ahead and install this the same way as the other one was, which is upside down. Okay, I think I got it. Now we put this back. Okay, let's put our screws back. step is this. Make sure nothing blows up. Okay. We're good. And we're going to try to turn it on. Okay. It went on. And it made that sound, which means it's stable. And it's running on battery. Okay. Probably needs to be charged. So we're going to be plugging this and run our test. But my battery replacement is all set, guys. Online, I found a website called Wholesale Batteries, WB. And they do actually have the exact same battery, as you can see right there. The exact same battery for sale for same price, 20 bucks. But like I said, the difference between 5H and 6H, you know what I mean, is just one lasts a little longer. But the 5H could be a little bit stronger, you know, as far as delivery. You can look it up so you can see your details. But I feel great. I have all my units back online, and look, we're kicking. Everything is up and running, so we are all set.